There's a spark in the air, felt it in the morning light. Headed to the exercise park, felt the rhythm in my soul. With every step I took, I found my heart's control. Suddenly a rainbow appeared, painted stripes divine. It stretched across the sky like a promise up above. Whispers of joy wrapped around, a sign of hope and love. I'm chasing rainbows, running free under that wide blue sky. With every mile that I cover, I feel like I could fly. Joy in my heart, in my soul, running down the river's bend. Seagulls laughing all around. I'm grateful for this blend. By the river's edge I spot a flock, just waiting for their feast. Crispy chips in my pocket, the laughter never ceased. Tossed a handful to those birds, oh, what a sight to see. 50 seagulls dive and fight, it's a funny jubilee. Wings flapping everywhere, let the hustle take to flight. They're all squawking for a chip, what a wild and comical sight. Some took it right from my hand, what a way to brighten my day. It's the little things in life that sweep the clouds away. I'm chasing rainbows, running free under that wide blue sky. With every mile that I cover, I feel like I could fly. Joy in my heart, in my soul, running down the river's bend. Seagulls laughing all around. I'm grateful for this blend. Took a walk along the bank, let the sunset draw me near. Sat down on the sandy shore, letting go of every fear. City lights begin to twinkle, shimmering like dreams come true. Tweed flows beside me, reflecting skies so blue. So here's to chasing rainbows, finding joy along the ride. With every step and every mile, feel the warmth inside. As I gaze upon the skyline, with peace in my heart anew, this beauty of the river life always pulls me through.